Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate at kung kiniklaim nyo yung reading. Okay, so let's see Capricorn. Kuha na tayo ng mga cards for you. Love life ng mga Capricorn. Show us the energies, please. Love life ng mga Caps. Nine of Wands. The World. Oh, something. may ending ng chapter dito, ha? Capricorn. Some of you kasi pwedeng may marami na kayong napagdaan ng challenges sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Two things that I'm seeing here. Yung iba, if you are in a relationship right now, at yung relationship nyo marami na napagdaan ng challenges, possible that this chapter, ngayong 2025, something is ending. But I think itong ending na to, hindi to yung parang devastating na ending. It's a very mature type of separation na pareho nyo naiintindihan kung ba't kayo naghihiwalay or bakit tinatapos nyo yung relationship. Mature. Oo, yung kasi hindi naman lahat na naghihiwalay magulo. Oo, or messy. Yung iba very mature na, okay, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ganon. Pero walang samaan ng loob. That's what I'm seeing. Kasi I feel like pareho niyong pinaglaban, pareho niyong sinubukang ayusin, i-work out. But, mukhang for some of you, hindi na talaga kaya. Or, yung iba, pwedeng na-fall out of love. Or, nag-iba kayo ng... Kasi pareho to pareho kayo nag-iiba ng... gustong gawin sa buhay, alam mo yun, na parang may ibang plano na kayo that is not in alignment, no? Hindi na in alignment sa mga goals ninyo as a couple. So, things are changing. Oh my God! Sabi, let me go. You deserve all the good things in the world. And right now, I am not in a space to give you the type of connection you deserve. Live your life and let me go. Oh, see? Possible. Jealousy. Pwede kasing yung connection ninyo, paulit-ulit may mga jealous, no? May mga laging nagsiselos. Nagsiselos siya, nagsiselos ka, puro kayo selosan. My dreams. This isn't goodbye. Oh my God. Oh, tingnan nyo. Sabi rito, I don't want to walk away, but it's what's best for me and us right now. This isn't goodbye. We will be together again soon. Baka bibigyan nyo lang ng space ang isa't isa. Wow. I've been dreaming about you in my dreams. We are so free and in love. Wish I could stay there forever. Alam nyo, Capricorn, itong relationship na to ay hindi naman siya basta-basta. Okay? Ito hindi to yung mga fling-fling relationship lang. This is a very serious commitment, serious relationship na meron kayo na maaring, how can I explain it? I know alam ko na intindihan nyo ako. But, yun nga, sabi nga some good things never lasts. Karmic. Oh my God. Look at those cards. I know I need to release attachments with karmic people. I'm creating a plan to leave him or her. Okay. So, I'm seeing a relationship na medyo magulo. Yung dynamics. It's either ikaw, you have different issues with other relationships in the past. and also your person, pwedeng ganun din. And I'm looking for a way of out. Oh my God. Ang galing ang hirap magsalita. I'm looking for a way out of this situation so I can be free. Capricorn. You want freedom. So, in 2025, sa relationship mo, I think you're going to focus on yourself, sa sarili mo. And sa tingin mo, yung relationship mo ngayon might not be helpful in discovering yourself. Minsan ganun 'di ba? Mas madi-discover natin yung sarili natin, mga kakayanan natin, mga bagay na gusto natin gawin ng walang karelasyon. Kasi meron makikialam, 'di ba? And normal 'yon. Alam natin na ganun sa relationship. It's either pakialaman ka or suportahan ka. 'Di ba? But for you, ayaw mong pakialaman. Ayaw mong pinapakailaman ka. So you have the elephant and the snake. Oh, this is healing. You're healing from this connection, from this situation. Don't worry. Okay? Parang ibabalik mo yung glow mo, no? You're going to glow up. You're going to love yourself more, Capricorn. You're going to heal from this experience. Pwede kasi you are in this relationship, pero yung person mo ang lagi mong inaintindi, inaasikaso, wala ka ng time para sa sarili mo, 'di ba? And now, you are focusing on taking care of yourself. Itong elephant energy is someone who is regal, majestic. So, parang you want to shine your own light, no? Gusto mong kuminang sa pamamagitan ng sarili mong liwanag. Oh, 'di ba? Galing. At hindi dahil sa liwanag ng iba. So, ikaw mismo magka-create ka ng sarili mong liwanag. Dahil maaring yung liwanag mo ay tinatakpan ng iba. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi sa relationship, aminin natin, we tend to compete, no? I mean, hindi naman lahat. Nagiging competitive tayo sa partner natin because gusto nating may patunayan na, oh, magaling ako, ganyan. But, minsan, no? Hindi na-appreciate ng partner natin. Gusto nila sila ang mas nakakaangat. 'Di ba? So, kung ganon, hindi supportive at competitive, kahit anong gawin mo dyan, mahihirapan ka talaga na patakbuhin yung relationship, paunlarin yung relationship. The Union of Hearts. Oh, back to what you love. Oh my God! Oh my God, Capricorn. Meron ditong pagsasama. Parang merong babalikan, no? Babalik ka sa, pwedeng yung iba, literal, may babalikan kayong person from the past, okay? Na na-realize mo yun talaga yung mahal mo. Or, this is you coming back to yourself, no? Babalik ka sa sarili mo. Mamahalin mo ulit yung sarili mo, kung ano yung dinideserve ng sarili mo, which is your love. Oh my God! Capricorn, may dead end talaga rito. Oh my God! Pasensya na sa kaka-oh my God ko, kaya lang yung mga cards na nakukuha natin, they are, wow, talagang, this is divinely guided. So, you're going to take care of yourself after ending a situation or a relationship. Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung additional message? 2025 Capricorn, love life. Okay, you have Saturn. Saturn is your lesson. Marami kang matututunan sa relationship mo. And Aquarius energy is freedom. So, yung mga natutunan mo, lessons, life lessons sa relationship, this will bring you freedom. Magbe-break free ka. You have, this is now this. Now this is limitation. So, I think you are breaking free from the limitations ng relationship mo. Yan yung way mo para i-redeem yung sarili mo. Okay? And now, itong dagas is about self-love. Capricorn, you're going to focus on loving yourself, taking care of yourself. And this will bring Feihu. Feihu is about prosperity. Wow, Capricorn. Focusing on yourself, on your growth, ang atake nyo ngayong 2025. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Good luck on 2025. I wish you all the best and see you again.